Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Dear authorities, researcher, and participant, it's with great pleasure that I welcome you on behalf of the National Institute of Oceanography and Applied Geophysics, OGS, to this wonderful event for the 17th edition of the CO2 GeoNet Open Forum. This year is of particular importance as it marks the 20th anniversary of the establishment of the network. It was started as a network of excellence under the European Framework Program number 6, if not wrong, in 2004. It's with great pleasure that I want to greet the president of CO2 GeoNet, Terry Vincent, and wish her all the best for a happy anniversary. OGS is not only a founding member, but has been an active member ever since, taking care of the secretariat and organizing the Open Forum every year. This is the 17th edition. A special and heartfelt thanks goes to Sergio Persoglia for all he has done for CO2 GeoNet and for OGS activity with his tireless enthusiasm for this initiative. Through CO2 GeoNet, OGS has participated in over 20 international and as many national projects related to carbon capture and storage, and more generally to the sustainable management of Earth resources, including hydrogen storage and geothermal energy. OGS is a research institute which deals with oceanography in all its forms, applied and exploration geophysics, seismology, and engineering seismology. The strength of our institute lies in the multidisciplinarity of skills and the applicability of these both on shore and offshore. For this reason, OGS is now recognized as a reference point for research and information activities in the field of carbon capture and storage. I'm pleased to announce that the OGS financial contribution has been made available this year to support the students participating in this event. We strongly believe in young generation and the need to involve them more and more in research, networking, and innovation. OGS is increasingly involved in the European research infrastructure cell that connects facilities throughout Europe dealing with the CO2 capture and storage with the aim to contributing to the global efforts against climate change and to achieving the goals of the Paris Agreement. It's with great pleasure that I greet the Excel Director, Klaus Tobias Musbacher. OGS coordinates the Italian national node of Excel, promotes the access to the laboratories in Italy and the inclusion of new facilities in the consortium. It supports the scientific and technological activity, manages public-private relationship with the national and international network, runs training initiative for researchers. Dedicated facilities called Excel Nat Lab Italy were built by OGS in Panarea in Sicily and Latera in central Italy starting from 2013, thanks to funding of the Ministry of University Research to develop and test new CO2 monitoring techniques and to study the possible effect of gas leakages on the ecosystems. In 2019, OGS received a special funding for the National Operational Program of the Ministry of University Research to strengthen the Excel NatLab Italy with new scientific laboratories, new field instruments, and autonomous vehicles for sampling, in situ observation, data collection in the field of physical, chemical, biological, and geological science. Then in 2022, OGS received further huge funding from the National Program for Recovery of Resilience from the Italian government through the Excellent project to strengthen the Italian node of the Excel network and to widen research over the whole CCUS supply chain, capture, utilization, transport, and storage of carbon dioxide. Strengthening the infrastructure will allow researchers to rely on competitive equipment It will therefore have a significant impact on scientific progress by promoting dialogue and comparison with the international research system and consequently the cultural and scientific growth of our research community. I would like to express my sincere thanks to all those who made this open forum possible. Your contributions are crucial to advancing the field of sustainability and helping us move towards a more sustainable future. Thank you and best wishes for a successful open forum.